I know it's been a really rough couple of days. I built this daily cash forecast template to help founders that have been affected by the SVB debacle. Hopefully it's pretty self-explanatory to use. The whole idea is that you have a very detailed understanding of your cash inflows and outflows in your business. So there are some inputs here and some decisions to be made on whether or not you are paying all vendors or just some of them, if you are deferring any payroll, if you are factoring out your receivables to a third party, in addition to more detail that breaks down day by day how those affect your cash balance. So on the cash in tab, you have your customers paying you and whether or not these receivables are being factored. You have your fundraising, if those exist. On the cash out tab, you have your vendors and whether or not you are paying them. Same goes for your lenders down here. And then your payroll, whether or not you are deferring your payroll, what portion of payroll you're deferring if you choose to defer any. Then finally, a tab of things to check or do ASAP. This whole exercise was inspired by a Twitter account called Secret CFO. He's a great follow, highly recommended. And same thing with Rebecca. She has a great thread as well on some actions to take, things to do immediately, redirect any future cash receipts to a different non-SVB account. So in other words, if you have payment processors, you want to make sure that you go in, edit those settings to make sure that you're not directing payments to SVB accounts. If SVB is your only account, you should definitely open another one immediately. I know Mercury is really expediting getting new customers set up quickly. You should also consider factoring your receivables, having a third party give you a cash advance in exchange for them being able to collect those receivables. You can ask customers to prepay or speed up their payments to you. You can first try that without offering a discount, but if that doesn't work, you can always follow up and offer a discount for doing that. I think over communication is the key here with VCs, your own employees, and vendors. If you are the CFO or finance leader, make sure you're communicating with your CFO or CEO every day about this template, updating it. If you are a CEO, you want to make sure that you are also looking at this every day and that you're speaking with your finance leader if you have one. I am happy to help with this. If you have any questions about it, you can email me at adam@flowcog.com. I'm here for you. So I hope this spreadsheet ends up being helpful for you, and let me know if you have any questions.